Hi friends, this is Agnilo Rajesh here from St. Angelo's Professional Education, and today on Inspiring Conversations we are going to discuss on how to make business better than before in these changing times. Well friends, make a list of what worked and what didn't work as per your expectations in the past. Those who do not study history are doomed to repeat it, right? So take a step back and look at where you have been. For those initiatives that didn't work, consider why. Was it the right timing, the right offer, the right target market? Could you have done more marketing, better marketing? Were you close to doing it right? Was your persistence lacking? Remember friends, analysis will always help. It will help you to proceed further with better strategies. Identification of your strengths and weaknesses will always be helpful to you, and this needs to be done, which most of the times we ignore. Create a marketing plan with cost and time frames. Be sensible and please refer to what and why a particular marketing plan did not work to avoid wasting time and money on it again. Yes, I know you need a marketing plan, but who has the time or know-how to put one together, right? That's why I advocate writing a 2-page marketing plan. On the first page, list where you are now, your gross and net income numbers of new and repeat clients or customers, amount you currently work and earn. For example, references from your clients also state your goodwill. Then set goals for where you'd like to be in a year. On page 2, choose 3 marketing strategies you are going to use to achieve these goals. Public speaking, email marketing, direct mails, group SMS, call center management, all these strategies will help you. Include an actual to-do list of steps you need to take to implement each one, as well as due dates for each step. Set a target with a deadline on monthly or quarterly analysis, which will surely help you to timely restructure if required. Look for like-minded external partners. Collaborative working is the best way forward. Team with whom you can strengthen your weakness. Great businesses are not built by sitting alone in an office. Any entrepreneur can find someone else to interview, refer clients to, and also trade opportunities. So seek strategic partnerships and joint ventures. Develop a support network of at least one another entrepreneur who's headed in your same direction. You can go to him for advice or hire an experienced coach or a consultant. Let's work on the principle of vowels. Everybody knows what vowels are. A, E, I, O, U. Let me explain each word. A means analyze, E means elevate, I means innovate, O means organize, U means uplift, and it also means your team and your work. Let your people bring thoughts together. Working together is the new mantra to success. Friends, coalition is not only in politics but also in businesses today. Each partner brings in their expertise, know-how, contacts, experience, and performance. Friends, make sure you don't duplicate your strengths, but you replace your weaknesses with someone else's strengths. As entrepreneurs, we need to focus on supporting our customers, not just creating sales. If your business is solely about making money, you're likely to run into big problems trying to grow. Instead, think about your customers' wants, needs, problems, goals, and how you can help them. Business is nothing but making people's life easy. Help them achieve their goals and you'll automatically achieve your own. Reorganize your department on case-to-case basis depending on customer feedback. Friends, value addition is the new buzzword for the customer at the same cost. Remember, customer acquisition is becoming more tedious and expensive. A repeat customer and reference sales are God gifts. But it doesn't happen just because we desire it that way. It happens with our genuine efforts and good attitude. One needs to invest into their customers. I do it, and if you do it, you will be successful beyond your expectations. Well, my friends, the internet or web is one of the least expensive and most effective places to market your business. It's also spontaneous and instant. It's your personal broadcasting mechanism. With all the competition out there, you can just throw up a basic website and expect it to do much for you. Your website has to be exhaustive with the use of the right words and statements, pictures and colors, and feel and look. It needs to do better than your sales and marketing person. It needs to be as interactive as possible. It needs to have self-explanatory videos. That's a new fad these days. It needs to have information and assistive services like live chat, instant call connect facilities, which should be backed up by alert staff who are responsive and responsible. Testimonials of past and current customers will also be very helpful. Friends, the interactive section with the quickest response time is the need of the hour today for every business enterprise. Friends, delegation is a key to success. As an entrepreneur, if you want something done, the reality is you probably shouldn't be doing it yourself. Focus your time and energy on the things you are best at and that grow your business and make money. Leave the rest to a team of skilled mates. You can focus your time monitoring their performance and guiding them wherever required. Your knowledge and experience needs to be focused on policy making and moving forward and working on the long-term goals. Delegation of responsibility with authority is the key to success. The art here is to gauge the capability of the person and delegate accordingly. Be ready to face a setback if this calculation fails. But don't worry, even if it fails, it will then teach you what needs to be corrected the next time you attempt it. Well, friends, everybody needs to have a life. You too need to have a life. It's wonderful if you are passionate about what you do, but all work and no play makes anyone unhappy and eventually burned out. And if you are married or in a relationship, I'd be willing to bet it's making 2 or more people unhappy. Do something you love outside your work. Get some exercise every day. Make some time for friends and family. Friends, you'll be more successful and happier. A disciplined week will be very helpful. A successful time at work, achieving the goals on time, all this will help you to enjoy your weekly holiday. Earn your holiday through your performance at work and then enjoy your holiday. And I'm sure a balanced life like a balanced diet will make you healthy in all respects. Wish you all the best, and I'm sure all these points will do a lot of good to you. This is Agnilo Rajesh from St. Angelo's Professional Education. This is one more inspiring conversation to help you.